Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make mac and cheese chili. It's the winter time. Chili is always good for winter. So for this, we've got some sharp cheddar cheese. We got some olive oil. We of course have some macaroni noodles. We got some chicken broth. We got some ground sausage here. We got maple flavor, you know, classic. We have one large white onion. We have a can of red kidney beans. Go ahead, use your favorite bean. I was in the mood for some red kidneys, but you can use your favorite. Now, tomatoes. Apparently everybody wanted tomatoes today, so I had to improvise. I am going with canned tomatoes. We are doing some diced, fire roasted tomatoes. And for seasonings, we'll be using some ground ginger, some cayenne powder, some chili powder, and some cumin. Now also what I forgot to put up on this counter is we're also going to be using some wet garlic. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright y'all, so first things first, we are going to be dicing our onion. Alright, so once we have our onion diced up, we're going to go ahead over to the stovetop. So on a medium-high heat, we're going to take 1 tablespoon of our olive oil. Now we're just going to take and drop in our onions. Now we're just going to go ahead and stir these and keep stirring them and cooking them until they're starting to turn golden brown. And while this is cooking, we're also going to go ahead and drop in 3 tablespoons of our wet minced garlic. We're just going to go ahead and give this a cheeky little stir. Alright, so our onions are starting to turn golden brown. We're just going to go ahead and drop in a pound of ground sausage. Now we're just going to continue to stir this until our sausage is cooked. Now while we're letting our onions and sausage cook, we're going to add in half a tablespoon of our ginger, a tablespoon of our chili powder, a teaspoon of our cumin, and half a teaspoon of our cayenne. Let's go ahead and get all that mixed up. Now once our sausage is cooked, we're going to go ahead, 4 cups of our chicken broth. We've already drained our kidney beans out, dump those in. Then just go ahead, dump a can of tomatoes in. Now we're using 15-ounce can of tomatoes, 15-ounce can of beans. Now like I said, I'd be using fresh tomatoes if I could have got them. So that would have been 1 to 2 tomatoes depending on their size. We're just going to go ahead, stir this up. Now we want to bring this up to a simmer. Now it has begun to simmer, so we're going to go ahead and add in our 16 ounces of our elbow macaroni pasta. We're going to get this stirred in, well mixed together. And then we're going to let this simmer for however long it takes to cook the pasta. Mine is about 10 to 12 minutes. So at that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so our pasta has cooked. Now we have 4 cups of sharp cheddar cheese here. And we're just going to add in, a little at a time. Mix this up, get it stirred in. And we're going to stir this until all that cheese is melted. And now we just got to serve this up. You can let it simmer a little longer too if you want, but it's ready to go as it is. So I'm gonna serve mine up and I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so it's plated up, it's ready to serve. If you like this video, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button down below. And if there's anything you want to see on the channel, go ahead, leave a comment down below as well. But until next time, keep on cooking on.